Hi my peeps, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, remember to like and subscribe. Guys, today we're gonna take it easy, smooth, nice and slow. So guys, today I'm bringing to you something I found out recently and I love it. It's a face mask, or you can call it a face scrub, but what I use to clean my face, guys, I made it myself. Is I have it in here. It's Irish moss, lots of antioxidant that's good for cancer, good for diabetes, for high blood pressure. It's a good colon cleanse. It's good for weight loss. It's good to open your appetite. Guys, it's really good. It has collagens in it that's good for your skin. That's what I'm going to use. It reverse or slow down the aging process in your face and inside your body. It gives you a healthy body. It helps to fight cancer. So guys, this Irish moss is really good. And also in my country, in Jamaica, they use it in the drink all the time. The men use it to to get that vibe, that energy to work, whether physically or they're tired or sick. This helps them to put the stamina in their back. And I didn't know what they were drinking it for until recently. I found out that it's good for your brain cells, it's good for your brain, and it's good for your back. It gives you energy. It puts back the stamina in your body that you need. Today I'm going to use it to clean my face because it helps with the dark circles under your eyes. It helps to clog your pores, and it helps also to clean and purify your skin. You can use it on your face and neck. You can use it all over your body. It is good also for stretch marks and pimples. And guys, so this is my new aging secret, Irish moss, and it comes like this, like gel, vegan and vegetarian. It's good for food, for baking, soup, for gravy. It's good for your cake, good all around. It's a good thickening agent as well. So check how I make it. You can use it to make smoothie, to make your juice, to make your drink, to make your stamina back, energy drink. Put it in your lotion, and you can put it in your face cream and use it daily for your hair. It's an all-round product. It's good for everything from inside out. It's a healthy choice, guys. And today I'm going to use it to clean my face. But to this, I have my Jamaican coconut oil, and I'm just going to put just a cupful in it. To my Irish moss, I'm going to tip just a little tip of coconut oil. This is honey, real Jamaican natural honey. Honey is also good. It's a substitute for sugar. It's very healthy. It's also good for your skin, and honey is healthy overall. Just a little bit. Do about half a teaspoon when you measure it, or about like this. So it's gonna look like that. Irish moss, honey, and coconut oil. You're gonna mix it all together. The coconut oil, soon as heat or a little warmth catch it, it will just melt and dissolve. So I'm just gonna mix it real good here. Makeup brush, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. The best result is to leave it for a half an hour to an hour, or depends on the time you have. You can just leave it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And you're gonna massage it in your skin. And after that, you're just gonna rinse it off. You don't need to use any soap to rinse it off because the coconut oil And the honey, it's also good to eat, and you can put it on your eye and your eyelids. It won't affect your eye because all of this is stuff you can eat. You can put it on your lips as well. It's gonna taste sweet, that's all. So as I said, guys, it's good for to reverse aging process. It has collagen in it, so it's good for your skin. I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid. It won't irritate your eyes, guys, because it's just coconut oil and honey and Irish moss, all natural ingredients. There's nothing to irritate your eye. And guys, that's it. You just have to leave this on to sit or set for, say, 15 to 30 minutes, depends on the time you have, or if longer, it's better. So you can leave it to half an hour to an hour. That would be ideal. And guys, I'm gonna come back in 15 to 20 minutes and I'm gonna wipe this off and I'm gonna show you the end result. It won't happen overnight, guys. It's a day-to-day process, so you have to keep applying it. So that's me and my Irish moss, my newfound secret. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna wipe this off. Coconut oil, and I just have some Nivea lotion. Just gonna spray a little bit like that, and you're just gonna rub it together, and then I'm gonna just massage my face. You can put it on your hands too, doesn't matter. My skin, it feels like baby butter. So soft, guys. You do your lips too. Don't forget your lips, guys. And always do your neck. Guys, the coconut oil is really good. You can just put it together. The coconut oil is good for your hands as well. You can rub your hands with it. So the coconut oil is good all over. Gives you a soft. So guys, this is the end result. Good to go. Add my little lip gloss. So this is my Irish moss, my honey, and coconut oil. So it's my skincare. It is good for all skin type, all natural ingredients. So guys, please check it out, lots of health benefit in it. It's good for your inside digestive system. It's good for your skin, weight loss, gives you a lot of energy. Check it out, guys. Irish Moss. Check out how to make it and try it. And this is my result, guys. My face is as soft as a baby bottom. Ooh. And then also you put the coconut oil in it, and coconut oil clean your face, and the honey. Oh, it's so good. I think anybody can eat a plate of food on my face. So clean and soft. This is the end result. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time on my next video. Big up, peace out, and bless. Soft as a baby's bottom. One love, peeps. Blessings.